Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. This is DMRPH and welcome back to my diary, the Diary of a Motorcycle Rider, Philippines. And for today's episode, it's another unboxing and gear review of course, helmets. And this time, one of my favorite brands, AGV. Siyempre, idol natin si Valentino Rossi. Hindi po si Valentong Rossi, si Valentino Rossi. So, AGV 1, 2, 3, 4. Showy, built well, lane splitter, and Predator helmet. Tonight, we are going to unbox and review what I think is the best helmet out there right now. It's the AGV K6. Kunin ko lang po siya. Oh! Yan. Bagong-bago AGV K6. Yeah. So ayun, syempre, tulad ng ibang AGV, Black Ox, Kashi da Corsa, dahil 1947. Hindi ko alam kung ano meaning nun. Pero, buksan na po natin siya, no? Siyempre, pabaliktad natin siyang binuksan, di ba? But before that, here is my intro. Boom! Whoop! Welcome back! Aray, nalaglag yung isang helmet ko. Ang sakit. Before anything else, please do subscribe and notify yourselves for future videos. And of course, supportahan niyo po yung aking page. At maraming salamat po sa inyo, sa aking mga taga-suporta. And a big shout out to all of you, whoever's watching this right now. I hope you are safe. Siyempre, alam naman natin lahat na pandemic right now. Let's go back to it. So ayan, AGV K6. Lalabas na po natin siya. And later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung comparison niya with another AGV, the K1 and the K3 SV. So here's the helmet. Siyempre, black helmet bag. And what's inside is this pin lock, no? Dahil pin lock ready po yung visor nito. And siyempre, yung instruction manual, the stickers, and visor oil. Yes, first time ko magkaroon yan, no? So ayan, wala na sa loob. So, tapon na natin itong kahon. Joke lang. Again, instruction manuals, the visor oil, and the stickers. And then yung pin lock. And then of course, the helmet. The usual black bag. And this is really new, courtesy of Dainese Greenhills. So it's priced around 26,500 pesos or 27,000 sa iba. There you go. Here it is, AGV K6. Yan, bagong-bagong labas lang po yan, ano? Yan. Pero bagong lahat, ilalagay natin siya dito, syempre, para umiikot-ikot siya. This is a size medium, no? Mapansin nyo, parang maliit yung shell niya talaga, no? It has 6 sizes available and it's light, no? Super light compared to my KYT NX Race helmet. Wala siya dito right now. And wait lang, kukunin.
2,000 years later.
Nandito na siya. Ang galing, ano? Ang bilis, no? So, it's even lighter than my KYT NX Race triple carbon. Ngayon po, hihingal pa ako dahil kinuha ko pa siya sa pinakababa ng bahay namin. So anyways, it's even lighter than this KYT NX Race. Let's talk about the outside of this freakingly awesome helmet, the AGV K6. According to AGV, it's the best helmet for any use. Ano po ibig sabihin niya? It can be used for city driving, it can be used for sports or track riding, or even racing. And syempre, for touring, or pag mag-rides, or dyan lang, magbibili ka lang ng tinapay o ng bigas at pinabili ka ng nanay ng suka, no? Pwede mo siyang gamitin para social ka, no? And it's made from the technologies derived from MotoGP. So, it's like the technology of the Pista GP RR, except that it's carbon fiber, and this one is carbon aramid fiber. It has 5 EPS densities, no? Like the Pista GPRR or the Pista GPR. So I got this, they call it the minimal style, the gunmetal, black and yellow fluo. Pagkulay po ito ng aking Ducati Scrambler. Yes. They say that it's lighter compared to anything the lightest in the market in its class. So ano po ibig sabihin yan? Compared to the K1, to the K3 SV, to the K5, it's lighter. No? It's the lightest, yes, at 1,220 grams. So, syempre, when it comes to safety, it's ECE DOT rated. Of course, it has the ICC sticker over here, no? So, it passed the standards. Ano kung ibig sabihin yan? It's one of the best when it comes to safety and technological advancement. According also to AGV, it's 48% safer than any other helmet compared to the K1, to the K3 SV. 48% safer pa po ito. So yung technology niya talagang pang MotoGP. Alam niyo naman po yung MotoGP, di ba? Racing, high intensity racing. So pag sumemplang ka dyan, lumipad ka talaga, yung ulo mo number 1 tatama. Let's talk about the exterior pa po, no? It has 5 intakes, no? 1, 2, the left and the right, and then the center, which can be closed and opened, no? And then 2 chin vents, no? Can be closed and opened as well, no? Open, close, open, close, open, close, open. Anyways, and then ito pong button na to, it's used to open the visor. But we'll talk about that later. And then syempre, meron po siyang 2 external exhausts. Dito po lumalabas yung init sa loob ng helmet. Lumalabas siya sa likod, no? Syempre, 1 and 2. Medyo malaki, no? And then syempre, yung front sa may chin to prevent fogging. Medyo mahaba po siya. The only downside, I think, dito sa helmet na ito is maliliit po yung port. Maliit yung port. I haven't tried this kasi bago nga po siya. So, I really haven't tried it yet. I'm excited to try it. So, medyo maliit lang po dito. Nakikita nyo naman dito, medyo maliit. Pero hindi ko alam kung mainit or malamig. Pero, one thing, pag binuksan natin to ng konti, aangat siya pero not completely. Hindi niyo po siya po pwedeng iangat. Pero umangat po yung visor if you can see it here. From the closed one, open ng konti. No? So may papasok pa rin air dito continuously when you're riding. Pero hindi po siya, it won't go up completely. So let's talk about the visor technology. No? Bago tayo pumunta sa liner, mamaya na lang yun. The visor, 190 degrees peripheral vision. So from left to right, 190 degrees. So sobrang kitang-kita nyo, more than 180 degrees. And then 85% vertical, no? So pwede nyo po siyang gamitin for racing, no? For touring and for city driving, no? Kahit na nakatayo lang po yung ulo natin ganyan or nakaganon or nakatotally ganon, makikita nyo pa rin siya. Dahil 85 degrees nga po yung taas nitong visor na to, no? Yung vertical niya. And then of course, from the left and the right, 190 degrees po yung peripheral vision natin. Yung opening nitong visor, 1, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, hindi pa siya nakalock, no? And then 5, nakalock, no? Pero bukas pa rin siya and then completely closed. Bam! When you carry it, it's really light, no? Kaya na isang daliri. So according to this film over here, it's lightweight, premium comfort, carbon aramid shell, ultra vision, and then yung ventilation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no? And then yung dalawa sa likod. Let's talk about the liner, no? The liner is perforated, so pumapasok po yung hangin sa loob. And then, it's faux leather, no? It's like leather, but it's not leather, so hindi siya mainit. It's composed of cool, highly breathable Rhythmo fabric. Yun po yung tawag ni AGV. And then, soft Shalimar fabric, no? Yun naman yung humahawak sa mukha natin. And yung face-forming foam, yun po yung tinatawag na Shalimar fabric, no? Yun yung enclosed po nun. Again, everything you see here is removable, washable, and antimicrobial. Para po pag pinawisan tayo, mahugasan natin at hindi siya mamantot. And it's highly breathable po talaga, knowing AGV. No? Kahit yung K1 ko and K3 SB ko, snap, 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 tanggal na po yan. Plus, if you get into an accident and iniingatan natin yung neck natin, you will see a rescue pull tab over here. So yan po yung hihilahin ng rescue. Tanggal na po yan buo and hindi masyadong maapektuhan yung leeg natin. Then of course, you will see here the chin protector. Yan. Ito. Yung nandito. Yan. Kinabit ko lang po yan. Wala po yan talaga kanina. So, you can take it off kung gusto nyo na mas marami pang hangin na pumasok. Pero ako, gusto ko saradong-sarado siya para walang air, walang noise, walang masyadong dumi sa mukha natin pumasok. According to AGV also, it's too dry treated, no? Ito pong buong liner for ultra fast absorption and moisture wicking capability. So, ibig sabihin, yung moisture, yung pawis, lahat sobrang bilis pong matuyo and ina-absorb po niya. And at the same time, it's antimicrobial, so hindi po siya babaho. And then of course, the colors. Marami pong colors available. Ito po, ang tawag dito is minimal. Gunmetal, yellow fluo, and black combination. Meron din yung mono black, mono white, matte black. Meron din pong hyphen, white, red, blue, black, red, white. No? So hyphen po yung tawag doon. But this one, the minimal. Meron din pong secret, yung sa idol kong si Moto Deck. And then yung Nardo Gray. Napakadami po to choose from. Whatever it is, it's never bad to invest in a highly capable and super safe, world-renowned brand like the AGV. Pero syempre, meron pa po akong ibang gusto aside from my AGV collection. To this one, the Shoei. And the Shoei helmet that I have here is the Marc Marquez X-Spirit 3 or the X14 here in the Philippines. I use it only for track use, no? Pag nag-race. Pag nagpa-practice, I use it for that dahil po yung air niya super sarap at yung buong ulo mo nahahanginan. And then I'm excited to also use this and review this for you guys. I will let you know what will happen. I'll set this aside, no? The Shoei X-Spirit 3 or the X14. And this one is the KYT NX Race. I use this every day for my moto vlogging. Ito rin po yung ginagamit ko. Kaya po lahat, halos na nakikita nyo may ganito is for my moto vlogging helmet. And this is triple carbon, so it's even lighter than this triple carbon KYT NX Race helmet. So, I don't know what's going on with the AGV, but you did a good job here. And Dainese Manila, Dainese Ortigas, Dainese Philippines, Dainese Greenhills, lahat po yan. Awesome job for bringing this bad boy over here and for letting me have one. Maraming salamat. Papakita ko po sa inyo ngayon kung ano yung itsura ko kapag suot ko siya, no? Ayan, double D ring for extra safety, no? Para po hindi matanggal kapag tayo nagmamaneho. So, hindi siya katulad ng mga mabilis matanggal na pull and push-pull, no? So this, yan, front, side. So mapapansin nyo, medyo maliit po yung shell niya compared to the K1 and the K3 SB. Then, of course, yan. Yan. Yan, no? Ang pogi ko na naman, ano? May bawa na naman tayo helmet. No matter what, it's never wrong to invest nga po, again, in safety helmets, no? Dahil buhay po natin ang nakataya dyan sa daan each time we ride. Of course, kahit na ano pa, kahit na saan pa tayo magpunta at kahit na ano pa pong klaseng motor ang dala-dala natin, kailangan po talaga natin ng 100% na mapapagkatiwalaang helmet tulad na itong AGV K6. And over here is my AGV K1, no? Again, motovlogging helmet po siya. And it's one of my favorite helmets out there. It's a Sole Luna. And then of course, my new favorite, the AGV K6. Yeah, so that's it for tonight. Thank you for watching my diary, the diary of a motorcycle rider, Philippines. Again, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan mag-subscribe and mag-notify sa inyong mga sarili. And be safe out there. Bye!